when you pick up the sales phone for your moving company, you've got to change the energy of that person that's on the other line. And so usually when you pick up the phone or you call out, you say, hey, how are you? They say, oh, I'm good. Then most people, they ask, how are you? Every single time you need to dial in your sales team to say, I'm great. I'm better now. I'm talking to you. And what it does is it shifts that person's energy. You'll tangibly hear in the other person's voice that they become a little more alert. They're a little more into the phone call, and you're 5 seconds in and you've already won them over. That's everything in inside sales. So teach your team about how to answer the phone, how to say how you're doing. Don't just have your sales team say, oh, I'm good. Oh, the week's going, it's almost Friday. Cut that stuff. I'm great. I'm better now. I'm talking to you. Because we want to be upbeat, lively, energetic, outgoing people. That's who customers want to do business with.